More than 700 new cases were reported in the 24-hour period. 31 fewer people in the state of Maryland are in the hospital. The statewide positivity rate is dropping. It's a good thing. As those numbers continue to decrease, some students in the state of Maryland won't have to wear masks in school's classroom anymore. Catholic schools in the Baltimore area will transition to optional masking starting tomorrow, and that's welcome news for some families as they push to end the mask mandate. The cases are showing more than 400 reported. Of course, 72 fewer people are in the hospital, 8 Marylanders died, and the positivity rate is under 4%. Governor Larry announced the mask requirement in state buildings will end on February 22nd. That is for employees and visitors. Mask is, of course, will continue to be strongly recommended for those who aren't vaccinated. That will be unvaccinated. The governor also called on the State Board of Education to rescind its school mask policy and encourage parents who wants to weigh on the issue to contact the board prior to its next meeting. Catholic schools all around the state, they transition to optional masking. The Archdiocese of Baltimore says they're following guidance from health officials and are simply leaving up to the parents to decide what is the best for their own children. And masks will stay on in Catholic schools in Baltimore City until the mayor lifts his current mandate, and masks will also remain on in all Maryland public schools and across the state. They're still required in both public and private school buses. Baltimore County Executive Johnny Olszewski announced it's starting February 28th. The county will end its door mask mandate and will also end its required COVID testing for unvaccinated employees. The positivity rate has increased just 0.1%. 36 fewer people are hospitalized. The cases are showing with more than 400 were reported. The Montgomery County Consult is discussing changing their mask mandate, including a change for masking in schools. The mandate is set to expire on Monday. In Anne Arundel County, the county executive announcing its indoor mask mandate for county buildings and facilities will expire on Tuesday. In Baltimore County, at the end of the month, its mask mandate government's building and facilities will end. It's also ending testing for unvaccinated employees. Starting next week, visitors and employees at state buildings no longer need a mask. Governor Hogan says this step towards normalcy goes into effect next Tuesday. However, masks will still be strongly recommended for anyone unvaccinated, like we've been telling you. The governor also calls the Maryland Board of Education to drop its mask mandate during their next monthly meeting. The COVID-19 key metric data continues to improve, including hospitalizations and the positivity rate. The only two numbers to increase are cases and deaths. Just however, keeping up with the hospitalizations and the positivity rate decrease at the all-time low. Cases are showing more than 750 were reported in the last day, and 15 Maryland people have died. New research in Missouri finds COVID-19 survivors are 60% more likely to deal with mental health challenges than those who were not infected. Those challenges possibly include anxiety, depression, opioid, and alcohol abuse that could arise within a year. You can get the COVID-19 booster shot at a Maryland casino. Governor Hogan announced the health department will start offering the flu shots at all 6 Maryland casinos beginning tomorrow at Ocean Downs. And then over the next week, shots will start at Live Casino, MGM National, Horseshoe, Hollywood Casino, Perryville, and Rocky Gap Casino. As a matter of fact, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to go to Ocean Downs Casino, it's located in Berlin, Maryland. You have to use US 50 to get to the address of 10218 Racetrack Road. It's definitely the other side in Maryland and way down Maryland. If you want to go to Live Casino, it's located in Hanover, Maryland. You have to use Route 295 and Route 100 to take exit 10A. If you want to go to MGM National Casino, it's located in Oxon Hill, Maryland. You could use I-95 to get to Route 295 or I-895 to get to Route 295. On Route 295, stay on this route until you reach the location. If you want to go to Horseshoe Casino, you have to use I-95, I-395 to get to the address of 1525 Russell Street, which is located in Baltimore, or if you live in Baltimore areas. If you want to go to Hollywood Casino, it's located in Perryville, Maryland. Some of you ladies and gentlemen in Perryville know where Hollywood Casino are. And for those of you who are new, if you live in a different city in Maryland other than Perryville, Hollywood Casino is in Perryville, Maryland. You have to use I-95 to take exit 93 on Route 222, or you can use US 40 to go to Route 222 North, or if you live in Perryville. And last but not least, if you want to go to Rocky Gap Casino, it's located in Flintstone, Maryland. Address is 16701 Lakeview Road. You have to use I-70, I-68/US 40 to go to the location. The county is Allegheny County. Those are the 6 casinos. You can go to one of these casinos at a time to get a booster shot vaccine. So it's simple as that, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Hope that you fully understand that there are 6 locations at the casino in the state of Maryland and know the directions to get there. Good luck. More than 850 new cases were reported in the last day. Fewer than 30 people were hospitalized. The statewide positivity rate is at 3.30%. As those numbers are heading in the right direction, there is a push to drop mask mandate, especially in classrooms. Your child would not have to wear one if they attend a public school in Anne Arundel County. The school board voted unanimously to lift its mandate. However, your child will still need to wear a mask on the school bus since that's a federal rule. The confirmed cases are going to be approaching a million mark, but right now they are more than 997,000, with under 900 were reported. There are 69 fewer people admitted to the hospital with the virus infections, and the positivity rate is showing 3.15% with a reported of 0.15%. 4,694,000 received a first dose. 4,129,000 received a second dose. 334,000 have received a single dose, showing 2,134,000 people in the state of Maryland got a booster dose. The grand total for the administered doses are 11,292,000, showing 14,939,000 doses distributed. 4,463,000 Maryland team have been receiving a fully vaccinated. They are still 95% with population age 18 and up, and almost nearly a 1 inch closer to 90%. And as you can see on the Maryland Department of Health website, the state will not report new COVID vaccine data on Sunday, February 20th, or Monday, February 21st, due to the federal holiday and a pause in CDC data reporting on both days. COVID vaccine data reporting will resume on Tuesday, February 22nd, with Sundays and Mondays data being applied retroactively as appropriate. That's what it says on their website. If you want to look at the COVID-19 data and the vaccination data anyway, log on to the Maryland's link at coronavirus.maryland.gov.